During those days of the month, I was not allowed to roam around here. Saجدہ, a 13-year-old resident of Karachi, covered her face and said, Saجدہ was forced to spend 5 days a month dressed in a dress or embarrassment, which made her teaching special. Clothes and flames are not the cause. Most peoples consider menstruation a shame and people don't want to talk about it. Women who are defiled and offended are locked up in the workplace and paralyzed. According to an UNICEF SMS poll, when 700 girls were polled, 29% of Pakistani girls and women were wearing scarves during the days of the parades. Here, very young girls are taught to keep their private affairs to themselves. Specific issues are usually with their bodies. This is why young girls personally try to manage their peer problems and are very careful these days. However, the fact is that most of these girls do not get proper information about this problem. When Pakistani women are asked about their first period, a large number of women respond that they did not know anything about the menstrual period in their first period. Feelings that made them feel happy for the first time to see the blood coming in. Many young girls reported that they thought they were going to die and did not understand what to do and how to seek help. The above UNICEF survey also found that 49% of Pakistani girls did not know about menstruation before their first period. In 2017, the Royal Medicine Foundation reported that 79% of women in Pakistan do not spend their menstrual cycle on hygiene principles. All of this is about awareness of reproductive health, full awareness of menstruation and how to adhere to its hygiene principles. The lack of menstruation is an important challenge for women in Pakistan. Due to special income, women are not available for drinking water, washroom and sanitation products. The menstrual cycle did not cause problems that would cause more difficulties in a country where high caste Pakistan to define the social, cultural and religious restrictions life. Unable to buy ours is still an important issue. This is also the reason why menstrual hygiene is so effective. Most girls and women in Pakistan do not have basic menstrual products and toilet facilities. They give up their daily activities and are prone to regular infections. Girls and women use old clothes, pieces, socks, leaves, even ashes to even the blood that comes in the pedicle. All these cases are caused by infection and infection. In Pakistan, the rules of menstrual hygiene say that the backward section of Pakistan is facing a lot of problems. We aim to apply menstrual routines as a healthy process and make this process a part of the lifestyle of women. Our aim is not only to educate poor menstrual women but also to provide them with basic hygiene products. Help them to spend their menstrual period in a safe and healthy manner. It is time for us to understand the importance of pediatric in women and women. Spend time with confidence and dignity.